What's going on, y'all? I'm JD, and the topic of the day is cakes. Get y'all mind out the gutter. I'm talking about some pound cake, y'all. Just a good old cake, just a good old butter pound cake. Y'all check this out. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started throwing together this down-home pound cake. So first, I'm gonna cream together my sugar and my butter. So with my sugar, I got 3 cups. And on my butter, I got 3 sticks, which is equal to 1.5 cups of room temperature softened butter. All right, let's get this butter and sugar going. Start out low here. Now every now and again, you might have to get your little spatula. And going around the side, scrape them walls off, and then get it back going. Alright. Get it back rolling here. I got that mixed up pretty good. Now what's next? I'm gonna come with 5 eggs. Now what I did, I crack them in this little separate container. That way I ain't getting no shell in there. You know, if you get some shell in your piece of cake, you're gonna be mad. So here we go, 5 eggs, one at a time. Once I get my eggs beat in good, I like to go ahead and add my vanilla flavor. And to this, it's gonna be 2 tablespoons. I like mine with a real rich vanilla flavor. So you can cut that back to 1 if you want to, but 2 gonna work for me. 2 tablespoons, yeah, I said. Crank that up. Now, once I get that in good, I got my flour mixture and I got my milk. Now my flour mixture, I also got my 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And for my milk, I just got 1 cup. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be adding these, alternating to my mixture until I get it all incorporated in. So let's roll with it. Alright, we got them all good and mixed up now. So pop that hood. That's the consistency you want right there. That's what you want. So I got my pan over here. It's already buttered up, floured up on my pan. So I'm about to do a quick little transfer and pop them on into the oven. What you want on your oven, you want it set at 350 and you want it preheated. So when you're ready, all you gotta do is pop it in so this batter don't sit none and do anything it's not supposed to do. So let's get this transferred, let's get it on in the oven here. I know y'all youngers be coming around want that beater. Alright, so we got them all in the pan. We got our oven at 350. So we're gonna let it cook anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the oven. So at an hour, you won't want to check it. Get you a toothpick, stick it down in the middle, If it don't come out clean, you know, check it again in 10-15 minutes. So we finna get this thing going. I'm gonna come back with you. All right, y'all, so I got that pound cake on out, and you see it's looking all right. I had a little mishap. Some cooked over into the oven, but we ain't gonna worry about that. It's still gonna be good. But my total cooking time ended up being 1 hour and 15 minutes. So, and I do have a gas oven, so yours should be somewhere in that time range. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit more. We're gonna get this thing out the pan and give it a slice. There you have it, folks. Down home pound cake. Let's get this thing a little slice. So, got your little crust on the outside. Nice, moist. See how moist that is. Got to try it out, y'all. I'm gonna throw the directions. I'm gonna throw the ingredients down in the description box. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is JD signing out, y'all. Holla.